Today on Ford on Fords.
I can get you started. All right, y'all. I don't know what the hell's going on with this. Y'all, please, somebody can help me up. I got about 7 PSI. This little crappy regulator as far as I can get. Let's see what's going on with this thing. Won't stay idling again. Back to 10. Regulator's almost all the way screwed out. I have no idea. I don't want to shoot the two birds, but you sound too goddamn good. I don't know what's going on. I'm at like 10, then it goes back to 7. I don't know. Somebody help me out. Somebody help me, please. Lord, help me, please. I don't get it. So, maybe y'all can see what I'm talking about, but I got like 7 PSI. It'll start up at 10, then it'll drop down to 8, then it'll drop down to 7. It'll sit there for about 20 seconds, then just dies off. I don't know if it's carburetor. I have no idea. Put the regulator on it. Regulator's reading almost the same as this one. So it's a different cheap Chinesium, but I just threw it on here to see if this is the issue. But it's on the red right here, and it's like at the second line. I don't know if y'all can see that. Hold on. Wait. Yeah, so it's at the second red line, which is, I think this is like between the second and third red line. If that's 20, then that's 10, so it's like right around 8. Come on, get focus. So right around 8. This is the same thing, right around 8. This is an auto gauge, so I trust this one. So this one, Chinesium, is reading like this one. This doggone thing is almost all the way out. I have no idea. I'm stumped. It'll run, I don't know. I don't get it. And then, first it starts up when it's cold like that. I don't know if it's damn timing. I'm not a Chevy guy. This is Ford, I can tell you. I even got the little gauge thingy here, the little vacuum line hooked up to the carb manifold. So this vacuum is seeing what this sees, so it stays in when it revs. I got the advance off right now because I'm not revving it or nothing, driving it. I just want to get it to idle. So got it to idle for a longer bit of time, but it's killing me. I'm about 30, 35 PSI oil pressure right now. I don't know what's up with that. I don't know if that's a good thing for Chevys. Shit, I have no idea. So there it is. Flipper Giver is running me crazy. So I don't know, y'all. Y'all help me out. Sounds great too. Just I'm beat. I'm feeling better, but this is beating my ass again. It's all right. I'm gonna go home, do some more research, find out. If y'all know in the comments, since for my little subscribers I have, I'm loyal, I'm happy. I'm happy that you guys are loyal to me, but if any of my subscribers know what's wrong with it, please put it in the comments. I might give y'all something, I don't know, on the Chevy parts or something here. I think I got a couple of radiators or something. I don't know. Somebody help me out with it, please. Okay. Now, don't got my mic on me, but I went ahead on, changed the regulator to this cheapo, but it's gonna probably do better than the other one. And I changed the carburetor. So I got tired of the other one, so I just, buying a little quick one. See, this is gonna be the issue of it idling or not idling. No choke on the side, none of that stuff. I'll transfer it over from this joker, if I get a chance. It was running, and what happened was I had it running, idling, then it did the little die down thing. When it shut off, a ton of gas shot up out of here. So I'm thinking it was something wrong with that carburetor over there. Hopefully that's what it was. I probably had to go through it. Maybe the power valve was wrong because I didn't see a number on it. Maybe that's bad. But we're gonna try to start this thing up and see how it rock and rolls here in a minute. And hell, man, hopefully this thing all good. And I just gotta fix a couple gas leaks, some other stuff. But otherwise, let's see if we can get it to idle. All right, let's just give it a first start, see if it'll just idle. Okay, hang on here. And see. Okay, we'll try it again. Hang on, let me get it started. Think that might have been it, fellas. That might have been it. I think that was it, guys. That bum carburetor. God damn. Whoa. Whoa, Nelly. Okie dokie. Smoky pokey. We got an idling Chevy. IB. Woo. Would you just look at it? Now I can start putting the rest of this stuff together. I'll be a happy camper. Wow, she's got good response too. Yes. Fuel pressure's at 6. Perfect. I got any gas leaks nowhere? Nope. Ain't not bad for a little Chinese one. Pretty little carburetor though. So, yeah. Flipper giver. Fuel regulator and a carburetor. Something's wrong with this one over here. I have no damn idea what's going on with the Holley. But this is a nice carburetor. I'm gonna figure it out. I think it's the power valve on the inside. But I'll be building another motor, so this will probably go on that. But I'll figure this out later on. And she's not smelling too rich. Not too much of a rich smell. So What I might jump on now is where is it? Oh, it's over here. So what I might jump on now is cutting my dumps out of my stainless steel used pipe right here. So yeah, y'all. Yeah. Happy camper, baby. Happy camper. I'm gonna try it one more time, y'all. Let's see if she just what she got to do to kick on. I don't know if she'll kick right on, but let's check her out real quick. Got to be more careful. Got to be more careful. Got to be more careful. Listen to it. Yeah. Yep. Flipper giver. On his or her way. Do what he do. First key bump. Boom. That's how it's supposed to be. Carburetor was probably loading up. When I seen all that carburetor gas shoot out the carburetor, I'm talking about it was a solid stream of it. As it died down and just spit back. Whew. I was like, oh my God. I pulled the intake off. It was full of gas in there. I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna foul up my plugs. So, yep. That's where it's at. That's where we're gonna keep it at. I'll get on to wiring up the alternator here and wiring up the power steering pump. Then I'll start stripping all these wires off the firewall, clean all that up, get ready to wire it to the factory battery so I don't have to start it from the lower the dynamite switch. So, all right, man, that's it. Forward on Forwards, we out. Successful and happy on a Friday night. Thanks for all the tips and the comments. I want to thank all my subscribers and people who commented, because everything y'all did, I did, and it worked better. It worked better, but then the carburetor was screwing it up. So, yeah, it is what it is. All right, Forward on Forwards. Let's cut these dumps, get them bolted on, and once I do that, the next video will probably come out. I'll be wiring everything. I hope we get it from the key, putting in the core, this brand new core support over there. Got to paint it first, clean all the stuff up on the inside, and get Flipper Giver looking like something instead of a busted, broke mouth. I don't know. So yeah, Flipper Giver, yeah, there it is, man. All it was a carb and the dang on a fuel pressure regulator. So either one, real quick, I left the original carburetor on, tried the fuel pressure regulator first, and still the same issue. So if you're in the comments, you say, oh, did you try it? Yeah, I did. I before I even pulled the old one off, I wanted to make sure that it wasn't the fuel pressure regulator, because that one was new. I didn't want to use it. I just send it back. But my buddy speech, I'll just take it back, and I'll just get this one. So, yep, there it is. Flipper Giver, ready to rock and roll. Fire up and idle, baby. All right, cold start. Let's see what we got. Golly. Holy crap. That's what I call throttle response, baby. Nice dumps on there. Woo! Somebody gonna get a dream. All right. Had to start up with a cold start. See how she worked. Beautiful.